Well, out here at SMMAC again for the watch show. They're all electric planes.
We got several 17s.
We don't go to fire school names anymore. We should take a couple days off and bring the plane in.
That's a nice town.
You gotta go to Hickory Park again.
I just
That thing's pretty goofy looking.
and came over back over the bridge and was just going down. I mean, I wasn't paying particularly attention to anything. I was driving fast. Well, pretty soon I see a squad car move up on the side, and you see a cop on the side of a telephone pole. And so as soon as I go past, he pulls out behind me. And so
They call water, they consider that Waterloo they're in.
Well, it's right in that area.
Yeah.
Right.
That's the one.
Now we're getting into all kinds of planes here.
That's the one I get 3 nights.
Corsair, foamy, 300 maybe. It's got a funky front end. I'm not sure what that is. Got some video of this flying yesterday, so I will have a video of that up. So biplane. So you got a few guys flying. We got a video of that plane flying yesterday.
How much is it to enter? You have to be, when is it at? The raffle? Yeah.